Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can disassemble and rebuild and repair your old Toyota Prius 1.5 liter gasoline engine. And this is really from this Toyota Prius cars, what years are 2002 to 2009. Hybrid engine, 1.5 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. And next I will show that how you can take firstly this engine out and how you can open and disassemble this engine and check all parts and install new parts. Because there is a situation that we can purchase all of these parts, spare parts to that engine, because Toyota, they have the world best spare part service in all of these Toyota dealership centers. Okay, and let's go to look our first job. Okay, and our first step and task in this our Toyota Prius repair project is that we have to take electricity away from this hybrid system. And now we are really working with this hybrid system, and there is really risk that we can get electric shock and impact, and it can be lethal, and that's we have to work carefully with all electric and hybrid cars. And now we have to go in trunk area and we have to take out this service switch in this big rear trunk areas hybrid battery. Okay, and this first step in this electric Toyota Prius hybrid car service is that when we are doing job in engine area, we have to take these rear trunk areas covers away, all of in here, that way, this away. Now we can look closer. It's really now in this Toyota Prius cars there is two batteries, and here is this the big one, it is in here, and service switch is in here, and in that another side we have this small battery, and we have to also take in here, there is the small battery in this right corner. Both areas we have to take this service switch away. And firstly we take that away in this hybrid battery, and there we can see this red switch. This red switch really opens in special way. Firstly I have to move that up and then in that way and pull out. And now electricity is away. And this is great engineering. This is this legendary legend Toyota's engineering. And now hybrid system, it is like neutral. There is no any electricity to car this front engine area. In here, this right area in here, there is standard this 12 volt battery, and I have to take also in that area this minus cable away, and I need now 10 mm socket. And here is really this battery, and there is this my 10 mm this socket, and there is not so much space, but in here in that way I can open this 10 mm nut. Now nut is free, and then I can little bit move this my connector, and I pull out that. Okay, and now this connector is free, and now I took away this plus areas connector, and now I have to install something insulation material in there. Now I install this rubber plate in here, and this part like eliminates this possibility that there is contact between this my battery cable and then this battery LED area. Okay, and now I have made this first step, and I have removed now really hybrid and electric cars this service switch, and also this hybrid engines this standard 12 voltage batteries cable. And now we can go to back engine area.